Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how I did my knotless braids, the blonde or ash blonde knotless braids that you see in these pictures. So first of all, I started by spritzing my hair with the Maui Moisture spray. It's like a hair mist. So I just did that because my hair was kind of tangled and a bit dry and I wanted to blow dry it. So I put a bit of that on my hair. I used my hands to slightly loosen up the tangles and finger detangled. Then I went in with the heat protector. The heat protector is from Fantasia, and yeah, I sprayed this all over my hair. Remember, heat protectors contain silicone, so after using heat protectors, remember that you would need to wash your hair properly with a clarifying shampoo. So I spray my hair all over, ensure that most of my strands are covered, and then I massage it in a bit. Then I section it. I'm just going in two little sections so that I can blow dry my hair. So I go in with a blow dryer. So what I do is I use high air and medium heat. So I put the heat on number 2, the highest is number 3, and then I put the air on number 3, so I get more air to kind of circulate and distribute the heat, but I don't go on the highest heat setting. So that section is done. I just twist it away, and then after that I'm going into the next section. So I'm just literally sectioning it as quick as I can because I needed to braid my hair, and you know, sometimes blow drying takes it out from you as well. So since my hair is short, it's not too much of a problem. I'm just going in, like I said, with the high air and medium heat, and I'm just blow drying that section as a whole. I focus mainly on the tips of my hair because those are the parts that have more tangles. So here I'm going in with a wide tooth comb, and you know the reason is just to loosen the kinks a bit. If you notice, I hadn't combed my hair prior to this. I was just coming in from, I think, a loosened twist out. I had washed my hair a few days before this. So yeah, I just go in with a blow dryer. Just ensure that the heat is a reasonable, a decent amount, not too hot, but not too cold either. So I just go through. Another way you can stretch your hair is in a heatless way. You could use African threading, but it's worth doing that like a day before. There's no point doing it when you're just about to braid your hair. I feel like it just takes longer. So this is me pretty much nearly finished. I put a bit of the mist just because that part was obviously drying out, and then a little bit of the heat protector, and then massage that through my hair, comb it out with a wide tooth comb, and then I go in with my blow dryer once more. So as you can see, I have done all my hair. I did my hair into maybe 8 sections. You do it based on the amount of hair you have, but this is just how I prep my hair before I braid. Because when you're braiding, you don't want to have to be dealing with tangles every time you cut a section. So this is just what I do to help myself. So I twist that section away. And that's it, Viola. So I'm going to start braiding my hair now. So watch this. I start by parting my first line. I always use my rat tail comb. You guys must be used to me saying this all the time. So I go for a straight line. As you can see, I'm not really using a mirror, but I can feel my head. So if the lines are wonky, please deal with it, because to be honest, I was not even bothered about using a mirror on this day. So I've cut that first line. I tried to clean it up, but obviously I wasn't seeing what I was doing, and I couldn't be bothered to use a mirror, like I said. So I did what I could do, and yeah, that was pretty much it. It probably needed a little cleaning. Like if you look at that middle, it needed a bit more cleaning, but I couldn't bother. So I start with my first braid. I cut out my section. This back line, the nape line, is going to have 4 braided there. So I clip the other one away, and then I go in with the Blueberry Bliss coil control paste. I like this product because it doesn't flake at all. However, the hold is quite medium. It's not strong. So I go in with the Blueberry coil control paste on the perimeters of my hair, the part that I'm going to braid. If you notice, I didn't put gel on my scalp like the way these braiders do. You know, they put gel on the scalp, they clean the line. You could do that if you want, but I didn't think it was necessary. Yeah, I could do that if I was doing someone else's hair, but on mine, I didn't really think it was necessary. So I go in with the Miss Hair Edge Control. This one is a very strong hold, so I'm using both of them. So I'm using a bit of the Blueberry Bliss, and then I'm using the Miss Hair Edge Control on my hair itself because it gives it a stronger hold. That helps my hair blend into the blonde braids extensions better so that it's not sticking out everywhere. So to do my knotless braid, watch closely. I'm going to split my hair into 3 and I'm going to do a braid, a 3-strand plait. So I do 1, 2, and then I add my extensions. And I'm going to add my extensions into my pincer grip. Watch that. Into my pincer grip. And then I braid. And then I'm going to do the same thing again. Add the extensions into my pincer grip. Flip it over. And then I braid. If you're right-handed, you will do it on the other way around. So just mirror this image. So pincer grip. And then braid. So while I'm braiding, I just ensure that the hair, you know, like the stray hair, I remove them. As you can see, I can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm just feeling with my hands. So now it's time for me to braid down. Can you see I've managed to bring all the extensions down, and I'm just going to keep braiding all the way down. So that's what it's looking like. It looks smooth, it looks neat. So that's my first braid nearly done. And I'm going to fast forward and take you to midway of the hair. So at this point, I've done the back, most of the back, and I'm coming towards the front because this was just the day before I was going on holiday and I needed to get my hair braided. So I was trying to work as fast as I could. Yeah, I'm going to get my daughter to come help me as well. Come. Smile. Come down a bit. Sit down a bit so they can see you. Smile. Okay, help me. You're in the video. So there's every brush together. It looks so yellow. The dress is still inside out. You don't have to be in my video. It's your... Yeah, so that's me done like about half of the back, or let's say half of the hair, or 2/3 or 1/3 rather. And yeah, I just wanted to clean out the line in front so that I could carry on braiding. But fast forward to midnight and then we've taken our flight and we're in Morocco. So that's me in Morocco. I've arrived in Morocco with half done hair. It's not half anyways. More than 2/3 was done, so it was like about 1/4 left, more or less. And you will see it just there. If you look closely at that picture, you can see the 3 cornrows at the back. I kind of just did that to just at least, you know, come for holiday. Otherwise, I can't be doing my hair and remain in London, you know. But yeah, I put it into a bun. No one really noticed. And then on day 2, I did my hair. So I used the same edge control, the stronghold one. I had both. I just use it on my hair, like I said, just to ensure that the hair doesn't stick out of the blonde extensions. And then I start to braid. So watch closely. This is a 3-strand plait you're going with. So I'm going to go . underneath, 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then I'll add my extensions into my pincer grip like I did before. That's it. Into the pincer grip, can you see that? And then flip it over, then I braid. So please, sorry about this shaky footage because my son was the one recording. I didn't intend to film any footage on holiday, so I didn't carry my tripod stand. So this is why the footage is quite shaky, but I hope it's clear enough for you to understand what I'm doing with the knotless braids. So I flip my head over and then I start to plait. I start to braid. So braid that all the way down. So this is just me in the hotel room. One morning after breakfast, or not one morning, day 2 morning after breakfast, braiding my hair so that I won't be hiding it in a bun. So yeah, this is another angle. Into my pincer grip, flip it over, plait. And then I get the pincer grip again. Put it in to the pincer grip, flip it over, and plait. So that's just pretty much it. Put it into the pincer grip and then kind of flip it over and then plait. The reason for flipping it over is just so that it doesn't come in the same section that you're trying to braid. So it's quite straightforward, to be honest, doing the knotless braids. Once you know what your hands are doing, you don't even need a mirror or anything. So this is one method of doing knotless braids. I have another method in this video that you could use. This is actually the first method I learned, which is easier. So you saw me add hair just now. I just added hair to the braid just to make it longer. Sorry about the yellow footage this time. I used a different camera again, all so that I can get good angles for you guys. You should really be praising me because yeah, I just really wanted to get good angles and good descriptions or visuals for you, and I hope this was helpful. So that's pretty much it. So put it into your pincer grip, flip it over, and then just braid. So here I'm just braiding the hair all the way to the ends. And then the ones that I did on holiday, I didn't bother put them in hot water. I had previously put all my hair into hot water to stop them from loosening, but the ones I did on holiday, I didn't bother because I was going straight into chlorine to swim. I knew that me being in water won't let the hair loosen. It will kind of seal them in its own way. So that was fine. So I'm adding hair again. Can you see? It looks seamless. And in future videos, I'll show you how to add hair so that it doesn't show. So that's pretty much it. So this is me enjoying my holiday with my braids, with my knotless blonde braids. And you can see I look happy. I enjoyed how they looked on my skin tone. They really matched it. I just loved how it came out. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.